Hope you're all doing great. Today, I'm making a very simple and delicious Payesh rice kheer recipe. So let's start. First, heat a pan and add 2 tsp ghee. Add cashews and raisins, fry lightly and keep aside. Now pour 500 ml milk into the pan. Add 3 cardamoms and 2 bay leaves. When the milk warms up, add 2 TBSP milk powder and mix. Cook on medium heat and boil until the milk thickens nicely. Once thick, add washed gobindabog rice. Add half bowl sugar and a pinch of salt. Now cook on low heat until the payesh becomes creamy and the rice is perfectly cooked. Turn off the heat and cover for 5 minutes. Finally, add the fried cashews and raisins, mixed gently. Try this at home, I'm sure you will love it. If you want to see Gurir Payesh recipe next, comment below. And our creamy, delicious payesh is ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again with another recipe. Allah Hafiz.